Divine souls, Namaste. Please welcome to Spiritual Health and Meditations. We shall perform a series of exercises for weight loss. Follow this series of exercises for at least a month or so and watch your weight reducing. First of all, we'll stand straight and do Hasta Uttanasanas with alternate hand lifts. Inhale while lifting your hand and exhale while dropping your hand down. So inhalation and exhalation is important. Inhale while lifting the hand alternately. Exhale while dropping it down. Now same Hasta Uttanasana, standing straight, feet together and lifting both the hands together. Now here, stand straight, feet together and lift both the hands together. Same as alternate hand lifts. Inhale while lifting both the hands. Try to keep the elbows as straight as possible. Do this 5 times. Inhalation while lifting both the hands up together and exhalation, drop down the hands. We'll go in for exercise 3. Here we stand apart a little and do chest expansions. So expand while inhaling and while exhaling, bring the hands together. Do this 10 to 15 times. So fourth exercise, the same exercise, we are folding the elbows and performing chest expansion, inhaling while expanding and exhaling while bringing it together, shoulder height. So stand straight now for the fifth exercise with your feet together and what you have to actually do is do some spinal twists. So inhale while turning around, swinging the right hand in the right direction and left hand in the left direction. Turn around and look behind. Try to focus on the fingers of the respective hands when you are turning around. Do this for about 5 to 10 times. We'll move on to exercise 6. Standing together, feet together, and this is also a spinal twist, keeping both the palms together chest level. And now only on the right side, perform spinal twists 5 times. Inhale while going back, and on the left side also 5 times. Inhale and look back. Exhale while coming forward. Repeat this 5 times. We'll move on to 7th exercise, what we call as Baskis or Ganeshasana. So hold both the ears. Please stand with feet together. With the help of the right hand, hold the left ear, and with the help of the left hand, hold the right ear, the ear lobe. What I mean is the ear lobe, with the thumb facing outside. Now you have to do sit-ups. So exhale while going down and inhale while coming up. Exhale while going down, inhale while coming up. So you have to exhale while sitting down, inhale while coming up. Exhale while going down, inhale while coming up. So exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. This can be performed in another method, keeping the knees together. So perform 25 times. Now we'll go ahead with exercise 8. Standing with feet together, standing straight and running on the spot. We also call it as jogging on the spot. jogging on the spot or running on the spot. It is called as Ekasthana Palayanasana. You have to perform at least 25 times. Okay, at least 1 minute of this. 1 minute of this Ekasthana Palayanasana is almost equivalent to half an hour of your jogging. So 1 minute of Ekasthana Palayanasana needs to be performed. We'll pass on to the next exercise. Exercise 9. You can have a rope, or without the rope also you can skip. So perform skipping 25 times. You have to perform skipping 25 times. So you can increase the count to 50 or 100, but 25 is sufficient for the time being. We will pass on to exercise 10, called as jumping jacks. Here, feet together and jump and keep the feet apart. Bring the feet together with hands moving up and down. So hands down, feet together, hands up, feet apart. Exercise 11 is hip rotation. Stand straight, feet together, both the hands on the hips, and rotate the hips 10 times in clockwise direction and 10 times in anti-clockwise direction. So here also you can keep the feet together or feet slightly apart, say about 2 feet apart, and perform this exercise. This is effective for the hips. So fat in the hips get dissolved, and this is a wonderful exercise to prevent fat from accumulating in the hips. Exercise 12 is single leg burpees. Stand straight and while inhaling, inhale and lift both the hands up to Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale to Padahastasana. Inhale and right leg back. Exhale and both the legs back slowly to plank. Again, right leg forward. Inhalation, exhalation, both the legs forward. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale and keep your hands down by the sides. Again, inhale up, slowly. Both the hands up to Hasta Uttan. Inhale, exhale, Padahasta. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, both the legs back. Now, inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, both the legs forward. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, you can either come to Pranamasana or Sthiti or Stavasana. So again, inhale, both the hands up, Hasta Uttan. Exhale, Padahasta. Right leg back. Both the legs back slowly. Into plank. Now right leg forward. Both the legs forward to Padahasta. Hasta Uttanasana. Come to Pranamasana or Sthiti. Again, Hasta Uttanasana. Lifting both the hands up. Padahasta. Bring the hands down. Left leg back this time. Both the legs back to plank. Left leg forward. Both the legs forward. Inhale and Hasta Uttan. Exhale into Pranamasana. Once again. You have to perform this for at least 10 times for weight reduction. We'll go over to exercise 13. Chaturanga, Bhujanga, Parvata and plank. So Hasta Uttanasana. Padahastasana, controlled jump back, Chaturanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, plank. Chaturanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, plank. Chaturanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, plank. Okay, jump forward, controlled, both the hands together, Utkatasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, come to Sthiti. So this you have to perform 10 times at least. At least 10 times. Hasta Uttan, Padahasta, control jump back. Now Chaturanga, folding the elbows, Bhujanga, Parvata, plank. Chaturanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, plank. Once again, Chaturanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, plank. Now jump forward, control to Padahasta. Now Utkatasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, and come back to either Pranamasana or Sthiti. Stand straight with feet together. You have to repeat this 10 times. We'll go to exercise 14. Plank to Ekapada Sanchalana Asana. So here also stand straight, feet together, Pranamasana, Hasta Uttan, Padahastasana. Now right leg back and right leg forward, left leg back. So jumping into Ekapada Sanchalana to, it is almost called as a single leg plank. So jump. So repeat this 10 times. I have performed only 3 cycles or 3 rounds. You have to perform 10 rounds. Okay, 10 rounds of this. Now I will show once again on the left side, Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana. Now this time left leg back. Now jump and keep the right leg back, jump and keep the left leg back, jump and keep the right leg back, jump and keep the left leg back, right leg back, left leg back, right leg back, left leg back. Okay, this I have done a couple of times only. You have to repeat this entire set at least 5 times. We'll go over to exercise 15. Now here we have to stand in plank for at least 10 to 20 seconds. So both the hands together in plank, put the feet together, stay there for about 20 seconds. You have to increase slowly to 30 seconds. This is a wonderful exercise for reducing weight. This is a wonderful exercise for weight reduction. Now we'll go into elbow plank, that is exercise 16. Come to plank position. From plank position, go over on the elbows, both the hands down on the elbows, feet together, torso lifted, knees lifted. You can look forward or look down. Body should be straight and hold on for about 20 seconds to 30 seconds. So this is a wonderful exercise for reducing weight. Now come back to plank, on to exercise 17. So first perform plank. Now from plank, now shift over your entire body weight onto the left hand palm and both the legs and right hand up straight. Hold there for 10 seconds. Hold there for 10 seconds. You can increase the count. Now this is another variation, keeping the right leg forward for those who cannot keep both the feet together. So come back to plank. So this is on the left side. We shall repeat this on the right side. So again, now both the feet together and take the support of the right hand, right palm on the mat. Now left hand lifted straight. Now you can keep the left leg forward if you feel like, for balance, and come back to plank and finish the asana. So this you can start off with 10 seconds holding and increase it to 30 seconds. Again, good for weight reduction. Going in for single hand elbow planks. They are called as side planks. Now come back to plank once again. Go into elbow plank slowly. On the left side, lift the right hand up and both the feet together. If you want balance, now you have to shift the right leg forward, else you can hold both the feet together. And similarly on the other side, that is the right side, support your elbows on the right hand elbows, entire body weight on the elbows. So from Vyagrasana to right hand weight shift, lift the left hand up straight, stay there for about 10 to 20 seconds. This is moving the left leg forward for the sake of beginners who want support initially. If the body weight is more, it is better to keep your upper leg forward. So that will give you a good grip to stand on one hand, either in elbow plank or in plank. Now come back to planks for exercise 19. So stay in plank and lift the right leg up and down. Lift the left leg up and down. Right leg up and down. Left leg up and down. Repeat this at least 5 times. So one round is lifting the right leg and the left leg. So please perform 5 rounds at least. I have performed only 3 rounds here. So the next exercise, what we will do is the same, go to plank. Now here I have folded my legs. You can do that. You can lift the leg as high as possible. So the same single leg plank, okay, folding the legs alternately at the knees. So please perform 5 rounds. We'll go over to exercise 20. In plank, we shall lift alternate hand and leg. Now from Vajrasana, go over to plank and lift the right hand and the left leg alternately. So lift the right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg, right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. So I have done only 3 times. I would like you to perform it at least a minimum of 5 times. So same exercise I am repeating. So right hand and left leg lifted, left hand and right leg lifted. I have performed only 3 times. I want you to perform a minimum of 5 times. So lifting the right hand and left leg and left hand and right leg is 1 round. Please perform 5 rounds and slowly enhance it to 10 rounds. We'll go over to exercise 21. In elbow plank, we can do leg lifts. So from Vajrasana, go over to plank and then to elbow plank, or from Vajrasana, what you can do is you can go to Vyagrasana and support both the elbows and lift the right leg up, left leg up. Here you can inhale and lift the right leg up, inhale and lift the right leg up, and exhale and drop it down. Inhale and lift the left leg up and drop it down on an exhalation. I have performed only a couple of rounds. You can do 5 rounds to 10 rounds. Now we'll go over to exercise 22, hip openers. Now this one you have to perform at least 5 to 10 rounds. Go to plank and right leg, bring it on the outside of the right palm. Left leg feet, bring that on the outside of the left palm. Right leg feet on the outside of the right palm, left leg feet on the outside of the left palm. Right leg, go back, left leg, go back, right leg. These are hip openers. very good leg. These are hip openers, very good for the weight loss of the extra fat accumulated in the hips. They get dissolved. Okay, you have to do this a minimum of 10 times. I have done only 3 times. We'll go to exercise 23. Now we have to go into plank, either from Vajrasana or from Vyagrasana. So Vajrasana, then to Vyagrasana, then go into plank. Now right knee, right elbow touch, left knee, left elbow touch. Touch the right elbow with the help of the right knee, touch the left elbow with the help of the left knee. Right knee, right elbow. Left knee, left elbow. Touch them. I have done it only 3 to 5 times. I want you to repeat it 5 to 10 times, please. Now exercise 24. Again from Vajrasana on to Vyagrasana, and then on to plank, and right knee, left elbow, left knee, right elbow. Right knee, left elbow, left knee, right elbow. Alternate elbow touching with the help of the knees. So right knee, left elbow, left knee, right elbow. So please perform this. And I have performed only a couple of times. I want you to perform it 10 to 20 times for better results. So we'll move over to exercise 25, mountain climbers. From Vajrasana, go over to Vyagrasana and into plank, and then perform mountain climbers. So it is dynamic touching. Don't touch the elbows here. You have to only do running as if you are climbing a mountain. These are mountain climbers. I would like you to perform minimum of 25 times to reduce your weight as early as possible. For better results, 25 times, or rather 25 rounds is advisable. So these are mountain climbers. We'll shift over to exercise 26. So here jumping from plank to Malasana is the name of the exercise. From Vajrasana, go over to Vyagrasana and then to plank. Now jump to Malasana, back to plank. Jump to Malasana, back to plank. Exhale while jumping into Malasana, inhale while jumping into plank. So I have performed only a couple of rounds here. So I would like you to perform at least 10 rounds. Jumping to Malasana on an exhalation, and on an inhalation over to plank. So repeat this 10 to 20 times, please. So this finishes section 1 or part 1 of weight loss series of exercises. So you have to go ahead and perform weight loss part 2 also for effective results.